Fitability is a fully equipped and totally private studio in Westferry, Limehouse. Right next to Canary Wharf, East London, we have been providing our clients with the very best personal training since 2009. In complete privacy with just their personal trainer and no one else, every time. Our unique private concept offers every opportunity to get in shape with no excuses. Our personal trainers have a combined 25 years in the fitness industry and are qualified to the highest reps, level 4, as well as fully insured and reps registered. So you know you are in the safest and most professional hands.
Hey there, I just got finished after my first session with Lisa at Fitability. I really enjoyed the fact that it was one-on-one personal training. I actually wasn't expecting it to be as intense as it was, but she told me a little few things that I was doing wrong and it made the workouts a lot harder, and I felt like I improved a lot more with it.
Fitability is conveniently situated for people travelling to and from the City of London, or anywhere along the DLR route and East London. So if you're looking to lose body fat and get fit, healthy and toned, contact us now for the very best and complete service. We're ready to get serious from 5 AM to 9 PM. Are you?